Hey, if you're a homeowner that's looking to sell your house during social distancing and you have both time and flexibility on your hands, in other words, you're willing to wait up to a year for the right buyer, or you're looking for top dollar on your house, then keep scrolling and I hope you have a great day. But if you're someone that wants to sell your house for sure, maybe you have too many repairs to be able to list with a real estate agent, or you're behind on your bill payments, or you've inherited an unwanted house, or maybe you simply want to downsize without letting hundreds of people in to see your house. I wanted to let you know that we're buying properties in your postal code and we can buy them for all cash and close flexibly based on whatever your needs are. My name is Michael Lee and I'm the 416 Home Buyer. We're a local real estate investing company that buys properties all across southwestern Ontario and we buy for cash. And once we buy these properties, we renovate them and resell them for a profit, or we fix them up and turn them into a rental. Now we're currently buying about 4 to 5 properties per month in Ontario and we'd love to hear about yours. If you're seeing this ad on Facebook or YouTube, it means that we buy in your postal code. So to submit your property for consideration is very easy. All you have to do is click the link below. It'll take you to a secure web form, which will take about 30 seconds to complete. And from there, one of our home buying specialists will contact you within 1 business day. Sound good? Now, there are a couple rules to this. Number 1, the property cannot already be listed with a real estate professional. At this current time, we are only interested in off-market properties. And number 2, you have to actually be ready to sell the house within the next few months. We look at a lot of properties and we respect your time. All that we're asking for is that you respect ours too. If you're in a situation where you need to get rid of a property you either don't want or don't need, it'll be a win-win for both of us. Whether you have a property where the bill payments are piling up or you have way too many renovations to do and you need to sell it, we have helped folks in that exact same situation to solve their real estate problem by buying their house. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, we look forward to making you a no obligation cash offer.